Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. In today's tutorial I will show you how to do this stitch. It's stitch number 45. I did this stitch in Spanish, and then I did a baby hat in pink and white. This is project number 88. If you want to go back and watch this video, I'll leave a link in the description box. This is what it looks like when it's worked in the round, and this is what it looks like when it's worked in rows. So let me show you how it's done in rows. It's perfect for making baby blankets, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is that I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. I'm using baby yarn, a light number 3, and the stitch multiple for this stitch is multiples of 4. I have 24 chains here, so to begin on the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to do a double crochet. The 3 chains now count as 1 double crochet. I'm going to do 1 more double crochet. So in total I have 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet into the same space. And now I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th I'm going to do the same thing. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet into the same chain space, and then again 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th chain I'm going to work 1 more fan. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. This is going to be your sequence, so you're going to continue like this. This is just a small sample. You're going to have a longer chain, so just continue doing these fans exactly in the same way I'm doing. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th chain, I'm going to do 1 more fan. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Okay, and again 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th 1 more fan, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, and to finish this row, you're going to do exactly the same thing. We have 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, we're going to do 1 last fan. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, and this is what your first row looks like. Okay, so for the second row, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and now in the chain 1 space, I'm going to do 2 more double crochets. So I have 1 and 2. Chain 1 and 1 more double crochet into this chain 1 space. And here is our first fan for the second row. And now we're going to skip these 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the chain 1 space, this here, I'm going to do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet into that chain 1 space. Okay, and then again, I'm going to skip these 4 double crochets, and into the chain 1 space, I'm going to do 1 more fan, 3 double crochets. So 2, 3, chain 1, and then double crochet. And then again, chain 1 space, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then again into the chain one space, double crochet, double crochet, 3 double crochets, chain one, and double crochet. Okay, and then here to end the second row, what you need to do is in the chain one space, you need to do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain one, and instead of making your last double crochet into the chain one space, we're going to go into the last chains here that we have. These are the 3 chains that we started with. So in the last chain here, I'm going to do my double crochet. Okay, and that's how you complete your second row. So let me show you again. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be the third row, and for the third row, these 3 chains already count as 1, and now I just need to do 2 more double crochets. So 1, 2, chain 1, double crochet into this chain 1 space. Okay, and then again, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Into the chain 1 space, I'm going to work 3 double crochets, 2, 3, chain 1, double crochet, and then again into the next chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and double crochet, and then again into the chain 1 space, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, and then again. This is a very easy stitch, and it works up very quick. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And now here to end this third row, you're going to do exactly what we did on the second row. You're going to do 3 double crochets on this last chain 1 space, 2, 3, chain 1, and instead of making your double crochet into the chain 1 space, you're going to do it here on the last chain. Okay, and that's how you complete your third row. And this is what it looks like. It's a very pretty stitch, very easy to do. And then again, I'm going to show you one last row really quick. So chain 1, 2, 3, turn, and these 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. So 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, double crochet, and then again. Into the chain 1 space, we're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, double crochet. And then again into the chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, double crochet. Again, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then again, 3 double crochets, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, and to finish this row, remember 3 double crochets into this last chain 1 space, 2, 3, chain 1, and double crochet on the last double crochet here, which are the 3 chains. So into that last chain. Okay, and that's how you complete this 4th row, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.